Hello there, dear. Have you been feeling a bit run down lately? It might just be that your body is trying to tell you something. You see, what they used to call iron poor blood is actually iron deficiency anemia, and it can sap your energy and leave you feeling weak. The good news is that we can take control of our health through something called food therapy. It's quite simple, really. Let me share some tips. First, consider adding some lean meats to your diet, like calf's liver. It's packed with iron, and with the right preparation, it can be quite a treat. Try cooking your meals in cast iron pans. Not only does it make your food taste better, but it also helps your body absorb more iron. Pair your meals with fruits high in vitamin C, like oranges. Vitamin C is like a helping hand for your body to absorb iron. Be mindful of spinach and other calcium-rich foods, as calcium can hinder iron absorption. It's best not to have them together. Watch out for foods containing oxalic acid, like almonds and kale, as they can also get in the way of iron uptake. And remember, if you're having tea or coffee, try not to have them with your iron-rich meals, as the tannins in these drinks can interfere with iron absorption. Sometimes, a little extra help is needed. Your healthcare provider might recommend supplements to boost your iron levels. Look for iron supplements marked as citrate, fumarate, glycinate, or succinate, as these are the most absorbable forms. Don't forget to take your vitamin C supplements, as they enhance iron absorption. Other supplements like spirulina, stinging nettle tea, and ashwagandha can also help increase your iron levels and overall well-being. But, dear, remember, before you start any iron supplement program, it's vital to see a qualified healthcare practitioner. They'll perform a blood test to confirm the iron deficiency, and they'll monitor your progress, because too much iron can be harmful. So, my dear, now that you know a little more about anemia and how to address it through proper nutrition and supplements, take good care of yourself. Your health is precious, and with the right knowledge, you can put that spring back in your step. Farewell, dear. Be well, and remember, knowledge is the key to a healthier you.